Digitalization and sustainability are increasingly shaping our lives. In project work, too. Dornier Group uses the latest technologies to implement projects with optimized costs, yet still integrating our entire know-how on site. We make our expertise available virtually with the help of digital solutions that can incorporate smart glasses, smartphones, or even drones. You get German engineering know-how right on the spot, without having to spend time and money traveling. Remote support during planning work, assessment of components, support during construction and commissioning, and maintenance monitoring are just a few examples of the possible applications. Involving your on-site staff or local partners ensures teamwork and the success of the project. Documents and data can thus be exchanged on German servers with the highest security standards to achieve quick solutions and ensure the progress of your projects. And sustainably, at that.